Bittrex Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bittrex Wallet app isn't just a place to store crypto. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for experienced traders. In reality, it offers a secure and versatile platform for buying, selling, and managing over 200 cryptocurrencies. On the pros side, Bittrex is known for its security. The app provides two-factor authentication, cold storage for digital assets, and compliance with regulatory standards. Users can easily deposit fiat or crypto, track their portfolio in real time, and receive instant alerts for market changes. Its clean interface makes navigating crypto assets straightforward, even for beginners. Bittrex also supports a wide range of tokens, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, giving users access to a diverse crypto portfolio. On the cons side, fees can be higher compared to some other exchanges, especially for smaller trades. The app lacks advanced charting tools and in-depth technical analysis features, which can be a drawback for professional traders. Customer support is sometimes slow during high-traffic periods, and the app experience may feel basic for users who prefer more interactive trading tools. In conclusion, the Bittrex Wallet app is ideal for those who prioritize security and variety over advanced trading features. While fees and limited charting tools may be a downside for active traders, its ease of use, strong regulatory compliance, and wide token selection make it a solid choice for beginners and casual crypto investors looking for a reliable digital wallet.